People talking about nails are expensive nowadays. Nail techs are overcharging. Man, shut up. You don't even know what you're talking about. That's just your broke ass talking. Let me tell you something. Nail is a luxurious service. It's not a necessity. You don't have to go to the nail salon. People who go to the nail salon is because they have some money, they want to treat themselves out, they want to be pampered. But if you are broke, then you can just go down to Dollar Tree, get yourself some press-on, and call it a day. And if you want to know how you can get some money for your nails to get done at the salon, let me show you a way. Did you know that if you can just save $2 a day, by the end of the month, you have a nice set of nails, and you just repeat the same thing, $2 a day. You just put away in your nail piggy bank. That's all you have to do. I'm trying to show you how to enjoy the luxury service. And it's not a necessity. Y'all can go out and buy a nail clipper and some soap and get some water, clip your nail down, wash it, you'll be good. But the fact that y'all don't do that, people have bad hygiene, they don't want to clean their feet. Some of them got busted fingernails. They have to get these stuff done. And they know it's worth the service that they're paying for. Like I say, if y'all broke, just save up.